Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gulf Vacancy. Hope you all are doing well. Today I have compiled the vacancies for Sales Manager, HR Executive, Sales Representative, Outdoor Sales Executive and Salesperson, and Export Coordinator. These jobs are direct from the company. There is no need to pay anything. Simply for job application, you just need to send your resume on the email ID or number mentioned in the slide. If you are new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, then do press the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of new videos on time. So without delay, here we go. Our first vacancy is for sales manager in Dubai based FMCG company. Candidate must have experience in sales and excellence communication and presentation is required. This vacancy is only for Indian male candidate. So without wasting your time, just drop your CV on mentioned email ID because time and job wait for none. HR executive required in Dubai based company. Candidate must have experience of 2 to 5 years. Preference will be given to the candidate having experience in construction industry. Abu Dhabi based company wants sales representative. Candidate should have minimum experience of 1 to 2 years in furniture and fit out industry. Salary has no bar and will be discussed at interview. Again we have vacancy for sales executive. Dubai based company has requirement for outdoor sales executive. Candidate must have 1 years of sales experience and should be available in UAE for interview. So other don't apply for this position. Fixed salary would be 2000 dirham. Incentive and other UAE benefits will be provided. Again there is a vacancy for male sales representative in big brand of telecom sector of UAE, Etisalat company. Etisalat company having vacancy for sales representative. Both fresh and an experienced candidate can apply. Indian and Pakistani candidate only can apply. Candidate should be available in UAE on visit visa or transferable visa. Our sixth vacancy is for outdoor salesperson in developing delivery company. Work location will be Dubai. Candidate must have 1 years of UAE experience in sales. Preference will be given to the Indian bachelor candidate. Driving license is must. Today's last vacancy is for export coordinator in Dubai based company. Salary will be discussed at interview. Candidate must hold driving license and having 1 to 2 years of FMCG industry experience. Preference will be given to the immediate joiner. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. See you again in new video with new vacancies. Till then, bye bye and take care. Stay home and stop COVID-19.